Hello Crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another Tuesday morning haul. I was able to find a few more goodies, so I want to jump on and share with you what I found. I was really excited to find this Glitter Girl sticker sheet. They are shaker stickers, which I absolutely love, with those iridescent stars. And as I told you in my previous Tuesday morning haul, I am looking for this collection. So I am hoping that this week my store will get some more of this Glitter Girl stuff in, paper and everything. So I was really happy about that. I found these die-cut felt bat bows, and I really am excited about these because they remind me of that Martha Stewart punch that is discontinued. And I'm so sorry, the sun is coming in bright, but that's what it looks like. And I'm loving these bat felt die cuts. So I picked those up and they were only $1.49. So that's an excellent price there. I did pick up some more tape. I always, I'm needing this, and this is the 1/4 inch. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up some more of these sticky thumbs. I really love these packs because it comes with the smaller ones and then also the larger ones. And then you get, it looks like you get 4 sheets of them. So that's a really great deal for $2. I did pick up some of these extra large clothespins from the DIY shop. And I picked up the larger ones for my bat bows. I figured that this would be a good size to adhere those big bat bows that I've been making. So I picked those up. I was able to find this super cute Bow Bunny stamp set, and I just especially love the fox. You guys know I'm crazy about foxes. And then you get the cute little deer, which is, you know, would be cute for Christmas, and then you just have all these little animals. There's a bunny right there, so I was really excited to find that. I did find another Good Vibes paper pad. I found the sticker sheet to the Hey Mister paper that I just picked up, and I do believe the paper kit that I purchased did come with a sticker sheet, but I think this one is different, so I just went ahead and grabbed it, and it was only 99 cents. And then I did find the Bliss sticker sheet as well, and that was 99 cents. And in my previous haul, I did haul the paper and some of the embellishments, so I think I might have the complete kit, maybe. So I'm happy about that. I also was able to pick up some more of these phrase stickers from the DIY shop. I love getting these, and I know I have them in my stash somewhere, but I just picked up another one. And then last but not least, I did pick up one of these DIY shop banners, and it does come with the twine, and it was $1.99. So I figured I could make a quick banner with this since it's already, you know, like cut out and already has the holes in it. So that is it. Oh, actually, I have one more thing to share with you. I did find a paper pad, and it's the American Crafts Fright Night. And I was really happy to find this. I'll do a quick flip through. I just loved that all the patterns they're kind of just basic, and that's why I picked it up. And as you can see, I've already cut into it. I cannot, you know, I start crafting immediately. See, I've already started using it, but I just love the colors and the simplicity of this paper pad, so that is why I picked it up. And I also like the fact, you know, it'd be really cute for rosettes, I think. So this is a really cute paper pad, and that was $6.99. And again, that was American Crafts. So that is my haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.